Introducing WordPress 2.8 Baker. If WordPress 2.7 was all about the fireworks and freshness of John Coltrane, 2.8 focuses on a cooler, smoother ride in keeping with the tone of jazz legend Chet Baker, making your blogging experience even more hassle-free every step of the way. So, building on the success of the plugin browser in 2.7 that made it easier than ever to find and install plugins, we've added the theme browser to 2.8. The theme browser lets you narrow down the type of theme you're looking for, and then search the hundreds available in the WordPress theme directory with a single click, without ever leaving your WordPress blog. Try on a theme for size, and if it works for you, install and activate it right then and there. This gives you a huge selection of free, quality themes that can change the look of your blog in seconds, without even having to open up your FTP client. And if you want to get hands-on with your themes or make changes to your plugins, we've added coder-friendly syntax highlighting, replicating the experience of code wrangling with your favorite desktop application. This makes it easy to look up functions and navigate your way through the code behind the poetry. Widgets have also experienced a makeover with a new system that gels much more smoothly with the Coltrane interface, but also gives you a whole lot more control over how you work with the widgets in your sidebars. So you'll now see that it's much simpler to drag and drop your widgets into any of your theme's sidebars from a single screen. Widgets are also now multi-instance, so you can use as many as you like of the same type. You can move your widgets between sidebars, or if you want to save their settings for later use or when you switch out to another theme, simply park the widget in the new inactive widgets pane and all of your customizations saved for later use. Just like the 2.7 interface, you can open and close any of the panels on screen, and you'll also find that they adapt to the width of your browser, filling out to as many columns as you have space for. And to make it easier for you to create and customize widgets for your own needs, we've also added a widget API, smoothing out and simplifying the development process. In 2.7 we gave you a customizable dashboard geared up to adapting to your blogging needs, and in 2.8 you'll find even more flexibility. Head up to the screen options and you'll now find that you can change the number of columns from 1 to 4 with a single click. And the same goes for your post and page editors, with 1 and 2 column defaults a single click away. Also, check out the way any of the content management sections of your blog, such as your list of posts, now give you the option to select how many items are displayed per page. If you'd like to cut down on scrolling or have everything at your fingertips all at once, it's up to you. This on top of the ability to narrow down which parts of the content are displayed to you at all. And in keeping with the smoothing out of operations, you'll now find 2.8 to be even faster to use in your everyday tasks, thanks to optimized JavaScript goodness and some other behind-the-scenes tweaks that move things along at a brisker pace. Add a host of other incremental improvements, and you should find blogging with WordPress easier than ever. WordPress 2.8 Baker. Cooler, smoother, simpler blogging.